Hi, I'm Lataeshia. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm cooking a simple scrambled egg, toasted scrambled egg sandwich. Let's get into the video. First, I'm going to start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. After butter is melted, I will lightly toast 2 slices of bread. Then I will set the 2 slices of bread aside. Next, I will melt 1 tablespoon of butter. After melting the butter, I will crack 2 eggs. I will add a pinch of salt and black pepper. This step is optional. I will add 3 tablespoons of water for fluffier eggs. I will scramble eggs. Well done. Spread the eggs over the sliced toast. Cut the sandwich in half. A simple scrambled egg toasted sandwich, all done. For more of my playlist of simple cooking and desserts, be sure to subscribe to my channel at Lataeshia Miss Doll Lady World. Thank you for watching.